Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. No woodworking video this week. We're gonna change the lineup just a little bit. I'm gonna start releasing videos every other week, at least through the summer, just because of family and work commitments have changed so much. I just can't keep up with that pace of releasing a new video every week and still maintaining the quality. So starting next week, they'll be happening every other week. So bear with me through the summer, and we'll get back on schedule at the end of the summer. On this future work trip that I have coming up, I'm hoping to squeak out to a friend's shop near where I'm going, and it's one of the most beautiful shops I think I've ever seen. So I'm hoping to capture some footage in there and hopefully bring back another really cool shop tour for you. So stay tuned for that. That will be later in the year when that video comes out. But yeah, so we'll catch you all next week, and then the videos will be every other week. So until then, take care, guys.